Today we're going to do an unboxing of my Wild University, I guess it's like my welcome packet. I'm not really sure. I love it. It was a total surprise that it came in the mail. And we're also going to talk about what is Wild University, how much does it cost, and what's in there, and is it worth it? Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday. So today we're going to talk about Wild University, which is an online membership for people who just love planners. And I think they used to have, I don't know, they might still in the future, but I think because of COVID, they didn't have it last year or this year, but they have an in-person, like huge, like conference event. Tons of planner companies go out there, sticker companies, people that just love planners. It's a huge community on Facebook. I think they have 22,000 members. So, you know, if this is like an idea that you love and you'd like to do that for more, I think it's more agnostic. So it's not like a planner company sponsored it. It's more like just people who love planners. I would say two things. One, start your own club. People will definitely 100% probably want to join more than one club. Just because there's one out there doesn't mean you can't create one. And you could maybe do a different focus or have it for people who love the color pink or for stay-at-home moms. I don't know. I'm just making this up. And two, something to know is 1,000% do not try to advertise to this group unless you've been invited to. They are brutally evil and really like not nice if you try to market to them inside that Facebook group. They see that as something where I guess it's just unwelcome, and to the point where I've seen a lot of people just get cyberbullied on that group. And I feel bad for them. I don't even know what to do. So this is just a warning to you, because I know a lot of people that watch this channel have their own planners, and probably you see that audience with 22,000 and you're like, I would love to advertise. Don't do it. Don't ask any marketing questions. Don't ask survey kind of like, do you guys like don't do any of that. Just be there, enjoy the group, observe, see what people are interested in and what they like, but do not try to interact with them. So what is Wild University? I think they just created this last year. So they basically open up enrollment, I believe the first of every month, and then they kind of close it down so you can't just join at any time. And I think that's because they do a monthly charge. So right now it's $22 per month to join, or it's only $16 to join if you pay for a whole year in advance. And then also if you pay for a year in advance, you get this like founders kit. So what's inside of there is, we'll do an unboxing of the founders kit, but mostly inside of the group, they have cute little things on planners and productivity, and also how to make your own stickers and how to use different planners, as well as there was a really cute one last month, and I think it's because summer is coming up, on how to use a barbecue, which are how to grill food outside, which two things. One, I thought that was very empowering because most girls don't barbecue outside. We like leave it to the guys. And two, I do find grills very intimidating, and I actually don't even do it. One, I don't really have any interest in cooking, and two, I don't have any interest in paying for a grill and like buying all the stuff that goes with it. So I think if I was really into cooking and kitchen stuff, or I had children and a family, like I'd probably be like totally into that. But yeah, just, you know, but my point is it has cute things that are very relevant. They have new topics, I believe, every month. I've only been there for 1 month, so I can't really say. But yeah, it's a very low price point. So that's why I'm saying if you want to create your own, just go for it. And you could have a totally different focus. And then if it's your own group, you could actually ask marketing questions inside there if you want. All right, so let's go ahead and look inside and see what I got in the mail. It came in this purple kind of, I guess, spongy. I want to say spongy. I don't think that's the right word. Padded. Padded is the right word I'm looking for. It has this cute sticker on the front. And the only thing on the other side is my address for the mailing label. So no other special decorations, in case you're wondering what's on the other side. Looks like a string or something. All right, so we have a little pouch here. Wild U. I like how they're sticking to the whole school theme. Oh, that's cute. There's like a purple zipper on the top, or like a mauve color, I guess. Very cute. And all of your school supplies are inside of here. I'm gonna shake this, make sure I get everything out. Right, a little extra string over here, which the cat probably will love. Oh, how cute is that? So these are tabs from Avery, but they're glittery tabs. I've actually never seen these in the store. Or do I shop that much? I guess I don't shop too much. Washi tape over here. So some dark washi tape and some, I guess, the Wild U washi tape. We got a nifty little pen over here. Dear Lisa, welcome. We're so happy you decided to join Wild U. We hope you enjoy everything. Llama Love Team Wild. Nice. So I believe, oh, this has one of those little protector things on it. There we go. A blue pen. You're like, wow, Lisa, blue pen. Yeah, it's a Zebra 0.5 click pen. I remember I used to always click these with my thumb, and then I saw someone actually click this, like they punched themselves in the chest to click it on and off. It was in corporate America, and I was like, that's so weird. But anyways, that's what I think of every time I think of these click pens now. Okay, what do we have here? Mildliner, double-ended, double point. So you could do some word art maybe with this, which I am awful at word art, which is odd because I'm a calligrapher, but I love pointed pen. Not really good with just doing lettering. To do lettering. Although I do know how to write cursive, which apparently is a dying skill. They might like just rename my generation the cursive generation because everybody now, they just teach you how to like thumb. There was this hilarious episode of Legends, DC Legends, and so this girl goes to do some typing, and there's a time travel, and so they go to the past and she does some typing, and they're like, this is weird. I've never seen someone type with only their two thumbs. So, because she's so used to using her cell phone. Obviously, you get the joke. It's not as funny when I have to explain it. All right, here we go. Marks a Lot, permanent marker. Won't try out, ultra fine tip. All right, even more fancy markers. And yeah, that's right. I'm going to do every color. So we got red. We got blue. I love these markers. Green. As you know, I just love colored markers anyway. Classic black. I didn't even write that right. I don't know if I can read that. Orange. I'm trying not to, I don't know why. Every time I write, it like shakes the camera. Here we go. Brown. And just so you know, this is not my real handwriting because ever since I broke my arm, like everything's just kind of off. It's different. I just can't move my wrist like I used to. Violet. All right. Lovely. I love all of these pens. They are all now my favorites. Okay. So we got pens. What else did we get? Again, You're Accepted. It wouldn't be Wild U without you. Let's celebrate our new beginnings. Think about all you want to accomplish this year. Open package of confetti. Throw confetti. I don't think so. I just vacuumed. So that's cute. Again, keeping with the little college theme. Nice. We got some stickers here. And we got a notebook. So let's just decorate this thing. There we go. Wild U notebook. Okay. I will not torture you with just watching me put stickers on. And then this is one of those. Oh, I'm so bad at these. And we had these when I was a kid, where you stick your fingers inside there. I know you're like all laughing at me. That's so easy. Okay, I don't even know how to do this. It's that one where you put your fingers in and you open and close it. I haven't used these in so long. I don't remember. I just don't even know what this means. You pick numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you open it, ask the group, keep going, yes, take action. Maybe no wild card. And I don't think kids even play this anymore. So clearly some very old person made this because, yeah, like there'd be no reason to have this anymore. You don't need paper to entertain yourself. You guys all have cell phones. Like even like 1-year-old babies have cell phones. I think this is a sticker, but it's just a really nice puffy like varsity letter looking sticker. We got a pin, very cute. It's purple and looks kind of sparkly. And here's the confetti we won't be throwing because I just vacuumed. But I can see how that could be fun for a celebration. Wild University student ID, very cute. And some more cool stickers. This matches that. And you put your name on here, and you got a notebook. Oh, it looks like my pages are waterlogged. But I don't know. I always complain like I hated these notebooks because they're the ones where like the teacher knows if you pulled a page out. So anyways, still think it's cute. It's adorable. I think it's just a regular Mead notebook and they just put some stickers on. In fact, I'm like 99.9% sure I'm correct. So what did you think? I thought this was a fabulous idea. I think it's really cute, all the stuff that they said. It's very branded. It's very on point. I think they're doing a great job, and I'm excited to see all the stuff that's rolling out during the next month. So let me know below if you also are a member of Wild U, or if you've heard about it, or if you're thinking about starting your own. I would love to help you if you're thinking about starting your own. Free advice just for you. Just let me know, and I will talk to you guys I guess next week, because I've changed my posting schedule. So I'm just trying to do once a week so I can get some other things done, like big projects and courses, and also like meatier content for you guys. So anyways, I will talk to you guys next week on Monday. Bye.